So, Paris Sisig Tayo. It's a Filipino spot at a house. What up, Josh? How you doing?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, what's up? I messaged you about the
Yeah,
food.
you're the one?
Yeah, I'm the one.
We do Sisig and beef pares.
Sweet. Nice. How long you been in business here?
Started August last year.
Nice.
We're doing it just every weekend.
Okay. We're just gonna do the combo.
One combo.
And then, does that come with the egg? Or...
It comes with the egg.
And then Java rice.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is that?
It's pork meat.
Okay.
Yeah, just no fat meat, and we cook it. We boil it for like 4 hours. In the Philippines, how you do this is you serve it with a sizzling plate, and then you put the egg on the top. Then you add some, sriracha or calamansi in the Philippines, or here we just do lemon.
The seasoning is a secret?
Yeah.
It's one of your secret blends?
Yeah,
Okay.
my original recipe, actually.
Nice.
Okay.
There's a variety of seasoning in the Philippines. The original one is in the province of Pampanga. And what they do there is all the leftover from the lechon. Have you tried lechon before?
No, I haven't. I'm exploring.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever is the leftover from that in the Philippines, like the pig face, the snout, they add a little bit of liver of the pig. Yeah, they do some intestine. And then from there, they're gonna put a special sauce too. Like in the Philippines, like soy sauce, vinegar,
Okay.
a little bit of ginger, a little bit of mayonnaise.
So this is your own special recipe.
Yeah, this is my own special recipe.
Different from the
Different from the original in the Philippines. Same concept.
yeah.
It's kind of different what I did, what I put in. Because as much as possible, I take out all the fats.
Yeah.
You know.
We're now for our beer.
Yeah.
Paano to eh? Gawin Pilipinas. Citizen mo. Okay.
Oh, you sell lumpia too?
Lumpia sisig.
Lumpia
Not,
sisig.
not the traditional one.
Masarap? Naimas?
Good job, bro, for here.
Oh, yeah. Nice, buddy. Thank you.
You guys are all the
Well, I
way
saw
here.
your post on Facebook.
Yeah, exploring Filipino food. Right?
Yeah, well.
What's your YouTube channel?
Eat like an apex.
See all the oil over there?
Yeah, yeah.
Get all the oil, man.
That's it, man. Yeah, you make sure that's not as oily. Everything comes this way.
If I do the original sisig, I mean, a lot of people will eat that. Market, not gonna be a lot.
Beautiful.
Want chicharron on top?
Oh yes, please. That's special. It's special.
This is the pares.
The beef
The
pares,
pares and extra soup for you guys.
Oh, okay.
And I got some onion and
Oh,
jalapeno for you guys.
nice.
Okay, let me just grab that.
All right, Byron.
Here you go, guys.
Okay, thanks, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Enjoy the food.
Yeah. There we go. All right, folks, you know what it is. Thank you, Josh.
Here's the main
Combo. All right. Paris Sisig Tayo. Boom. Kind of collapsed, but you can see here that sisig, the chicharron, obviously has a secret sauce. But then I saw him put the egg in. You got some lime juice. You have some sriracha, and Byron's own rendition of sisig, and then the Java rice. That's never happened before. Oh well.
Oh, and we're filming.
Yeah, we got that on camera. Party foul. Oh, that's terrible. Paris Sisig Tayo spot here in Union City. Byron, who's the owner of the house establishment. You've seen him make it. You've seen the sisig process, and we're just gonna dig in right now. Here's the sisig, the Java rice, and I believe this is the beef pares. And he mentioned here's a soup as well too. And then I have the onions and jalapenos. Before I add these two ingredients to this, we're gonna try that just as is. Beef pares. Ooh. And then this is a soup that he said he added it for us here. So some soup.
It's hot.
Is it hot? Is it? Oh, just like a broth, but that's gonna be
It's like
tasty
bone
as well.
broth,
Yeah. Oh man. Again, that sisig looked tasty when he was making it. And we just want to delve right into it. So we'll try some sisig first. How's that sound?
This is my first time too.
First time trying sisig.
First time.
Got some chicharron bits in here. All right, man. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh dang.
Come on.
I'm a lover now. Full of flavor.
Mm-hmm.
You can taste the pork. It's crispy.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good.
The crispiness, that chicharron, the meatiness. And then you do taste a little bit of that lime he added. I don't taste the sriracha. Some onions.
The egg.
Oh, the egg too.
The egg was the binder.
Yeah. This is Byron's special ingredient style sisig. Delicious.
Cheers again.
Cheers. Oh yeah.
That was amazing.
Sisig. You okay with these?
Yeah.
We're just gonna sprinkle it in, okay?
The whole thing?
Yeah, whole thing.
Alright.
Some of the onions. Sprinkle it in. And then the jalapenos.
All right, mix it up.
Mix that up. Oh, I think this is gonna. You smell it, yeah. Finely diced. So then it's gonna get in every bit of that crevice in that sisig. Go for some onions and jalapenos.
All right.
Oh. I can tell you, the jalapenos and the onions, game changer. I'm a big fan of the spice element, the onion addition, but you still retain that incredible sisig flavor.
Absolutely. I thought the jalapenos were going to be overwhelming, but
Yeah, it's not.
you get that fresh taste.
Let's go Java rice by itself first.
All right.
You never had Java rice before? You could see the color in that annatto powder, just as is by itself first. Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Not bad. I enjoy it, but that sisig would do it wonders.
I think we should try them together.
That's right. That's what's going to do right now. There you go.
There you go.
Yep. Rice and meat combo for the win. Definitely have the Java rice with the sisig. He has a sisig lumpia he mentioned that you can have with it. So what I would love to try next time. All right, beef paris. Let's have a piece of beef on its own first before we add any rice. Beef, bro. Yeah, let it drip right there. That's okay if it drips on the rice. That oiliness, the meatiness, the beef. That's okay, man. Yeah, go for it. You got this, Josh. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I've never tried this before. I'm a little nervous.
It's all right. Oh. By that meaty bit, soft and tender. This fatty, gelatinous. You had a fattier piece though. You gotta go for
Yeah, it melted right in my mouth.
You gotta go for that meaty bit too, with some fat. Now go ahead.
Oh, there's the magic.
See? Yeah. Add that beef paris immediately onto the rice. So I'm just gonna take that and just kind of put it on the rice.
Cool.
I want to add some of that broth onto it too, on my rice, just a little bit. Okay, just like that. You gotta kind of balance it, just like that. That's my bite right there. You got it. Oh man, I'm a fan. This fat and meat ratio. Oh, and the rice, great addition. Just chasing that meat. How was yours?
It was good.
Yeah, I got a piece too. Let's do it.
Okay.
I mean, there's a little bit of like bitterness from the broth, a little astringent, but that meat just collapses. It's fatty, gummy. I love the flavor.
Another first, but
Another
it was
first?
good.
Yeah. That's what it is, man. Last but not least, they have this soup here. It's just soup, he said. So I'm just gonna get some soup. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's a sweet broth. Sweet and meaty broth.
Really smooth.
Oh yeah,
texture.
that is yeah.
Yeah, really smooth.
Yeah, that is nice. That is
I wonder
nice.
how that would taste on the rice.
Might as well try it on the rice. Then let's go. You mentioned it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pour some onto the rice. Whew, just like that. Get a scoop of that. I'm gonna add that piece of. I have a tripe lingering around, or you could grab sisig. Up to you. Byron's combo plate, fantastic. Love it.
You can't go wrong with it.
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Oh man, good job, Byron.